consistency of that rise and fall in the former, middle, or latter. And modulation is the overall evaluation of that rise and fall in speech. That's sound. So we studying the amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, momentum of the rise and fall in speech. So interdisciplinary is where we realize that on a deep level, when we get into rhetorical devices and the power of persuasion, we know that all contrast or polarized interpretation derive from how the sound is interpreted. Like, no can have many meanings. One prime example is a trivial meaning is, hey, you heard Jay-Z and her husband is getting divorced? No, that no is sense, but that no insinuates, tell me more. And then you have the no where the no assents, no, like someone's falling. And then you have the no as the polite, receptible gesture, and then you have the no as the regression. You have the abrupt no, no. So it's the same no, but all the different interpretations derive from tone. So in rhetorical devices, right, this is where physics and linguistics meets, when we study the tonality, the rise and fall in speech. I apologize, I have to elaborate on. So my website is based on a cross-disciplinary